can't lift Bobby. We're gonna be fluffing.
You can't lift Bobby.
You like snap off your arm.
Yeah, right.
So I think I feel like, ow! Like, afternoon. Oh my god.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh wow, that was lovely.
The attic. The attic.
Sorry, just put my attic.
Oh, okay.
Thumpity thump thump.
A man named Rupert.
Rupert.
Who names a kid
Rupert.
Rupert's?
I'm going to name my kid that.
Rupert?
What the hell, Marley? That's what I want to name my kid, Rupert. I'm kidding.
Someone's name's probably like Rupert.
I am sorry. I really like the name Rupert though. But I just don't want to name my
Okay,
kid
a
that.
man named Rupert lived with his dog in a house deep in the woods. Rupert was a hunter and a trapper. The dog was a big German shepherd named Sam. Rupert had raised Sam from a pup. Almost every morning, Rupert went hunting and Sam stayed behind and guarded the house. One morning, as Rupert was checking his traps, he got the feeling that something was wrong at home. He hurried back as fast as he could, but when he got there, he found that Sam was missing. He searched the house and the woods nearby, but Sam was nowhere to be seen. He called and he called, but the dog did not answer. For days, Rupert looked for Sam, but he could not find no trace of him. Finally, he gave up. Sam's a dog. Finally, he gave up and went back to his work. But one morning, he heard something moving in the attic. He picked up his gun. Then he thought, I'd better be quiet about this. So he took off his boots, and in his bare feet, he began to climb the attic stairs. He slowly took one step, then another, until at last, he reached the attic door. He stood outside listening, but he didn't hear a thing. Then he opened the door and... At this point, the storyteller stops and asks... at this point, the storyteller stops and as if he has finished.
You're a key, Marlon. Is that
That's
it? Oh my god, no way.
Then usually someone will ask, why did Rupert scream? Okay.
Why did Rupert scream?
The storyteller replies, you'd scream too if you stepped on a nail in your bare feet.
I'm sorry.
That's it.
Oh. Hilarious! Oh my god! It's my turn. Why do I have to keep turning off the camera?
Because my back hurts.
Well, so does mine, and my neck does too, so.
I need a massage.
Well.
I